Hey, what's up, BTT coin holder? What's going on this time? You can see here the Bittorrent price will pumps up in last 12 hours 0.95%. But if we check out, my friends, the last 7 days, so in last 7 days minus 2.08% fails. It's really bad news for all of you, my friends. To this time, you could see BTT will lose now in last 7 days. But don't worry, my friends. Today we will talk about the next pump. Can in upcoming time they will pumps up or they will dumps down. And yes, my brothers, can they will give you a profit in upcoming days or they will not. You will be lost now. So please try to understand BTT is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, but sometimes they were very badly finished down. So I think the reason was that to sometime my friends the BTT team is stopped working. They were never starting collaborating with a lot of companies and they are never promoting this coin. So absolutely the coin is completely go to the garbage. But sometime my friends try to understand, sometime the short time investor are starting selling. So therefore the coin is completely go to the garbage. So therefore I told you to please try to understand, holders, you will need to hold down. If you are starting holding, then remember to they will give you a profit. But if you are starting selling, remember my best, they will never give you a profit and you are very badly falls down. So BTT is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope my friends in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. Allah Hafiz, take care. See you next time. My prediction is 100% gone positive and my opinion is for all of you to please hold and wait for the end of month. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box and like video and subscribe channel.